LLaVA Next is a groundbreaking, open-source project focusing on large multimodal models. It recently released LLaVA 178K, a synthetic dataset for video instruction tuning, featuring 178, 510 caption entries. The project also introduced LLaVA 7B/72B models, which excel on video benchmarks like Video MME and Long Video Bench. LLaVA 1 Vision Chat enhances the chat experience with its 7B/72B models. The LLaVA 1 Vision models achieve state-of-the-art performance on diverse benchmarks, sometimes rivaling top commercial models. The project offers various models and scripts for multi-image video and 3D tasks, with strong performance demonstrated in demos and benchmarks. LLaVA Next utilizes SGLang to speed up inference and deployment, making it a back-end API service. For research, the project provides detailed papers and documentation. Usage of the project must comply with the original licenses of the datasets and checkpoints involved.